birthday it is. Guess who's turning old?
Girl, listen, I'm only 25. It's not that bad.
So we're in Antwerp, Belgium right now. We're about to go get breakfast. This is day 2 actually. This is hot chocolate. They make it different in Belgium. Chocolate milk is in the bottom, so you just like stir it up. Bagel with cream cheese. These are the legendary red velvet pancakes. We've been to like 10 stores and he swear he can't find any that are white.
Listen, this is a white. They just don't have my size. That's all.
We finally got the pants, y'all. Finally. After 100 stores.
Five.
No, we literally went to 10. I should have like recorded every single one. Because
we actually did 1 to 10 stores. Just to find a pants. Alright, listen, if you're over 6 feet, you understand, okay? You understand.
We don't, because I'm 6'10".
Yeah, right.
I'm 6'10".
Okay.
In my head. We're at my favorite place. Well, second favorite place. Five Guys. I've been twice this week already.
Why are you such a fat ass? Can you explain to everyone why?
I just love to eat. It's okay to eat and enjoy.
Be kept, babe. Are you having fun? Okay, she almost killed me, but she almost killed me. You're a pimp. You don't know.
No.
You're out here trying to do red light district stuff.
Oh no, we just want to make money.
I mean, money is good. I'm not gonna lie. Money is good. But so, your idea is just like a pimp.
No. It's heavenly idea. It's from the heavens.
What's kind of heaven?
It's from the heavens.
Maybe
imagine you cheating on your wife upstairs and God is looking at you. And God will be like,
Babe, what is this?
I don't know. It's just like normal tomato sauce with shrimp and some kind of surprise. Okay. Cake in the name of the Father, and the Son, and in the Holy Spirit. Amen.
from America to Europe. America to Europe.
Of a baby and many more.
So now, let the party start. Oh la jaja, oh la jaja. I'll go to work tomorrow. Oh la jaja.
Y'all are not gonna believe where we are. We are at a nail salon. It's already being so stressful. I went to the wrong damn airport, so now we have to go an hour to another airport.
And it's fine. I mean, we all make mistakes, baby. We all make mistakes. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna figure it out. We still got time. So
I'm not happy right now.
Apparently we're lazy for taking the lead. I just went ahead and filmed myself.
Right, it's gonna melt by the time he gets it. Stop. Why the pose though?
because
Such a weird pose.
We're at a cathedral. We're at like, it's a big cathedral.
Doesn't she looking good?
Yes, of course. Please.
Excuse me.
Stop.
Come on, baby, come on, come on, drag him back. Drag him, come on.
Very close.
If you can just, manage it, good.
Huh?
Okay. Just when you're ready. Oh, let's go. Oh, this 20, 21, 24, 26, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Okay, now I would like to make first of all diploma for Elvis. Okay. Yeah. And a picture together. Sorry, can I ask you a favor? Can you make us a picture? Thank you.
Just build different, just build different.
Yeah, no show off, please. You really
Like you already started
It's not necessary. Humiliate us.
I need to make them feel bad,
Okay, you can be out of the picture.
You started sweating. You were panicking right there. So you can see the sweat from you panicking.
We're about to go jet skiing. I've never done this before. Have you done this before? None of us have done this before.
It's about to be lit.
Oh, okay, that's fine. He said make sure to clip on.
Okay.
Let's go. Clip on.
Okay.
Here.
Listen to me 2 minutes, okay?
Lady, listen, okay. Thank you.
This is the key of the jet ski, okay? Always here.
Is it clip on?
Yeah. Put it on.
Good.
Perfect. To start the moto.
We're about to go on a jet ski. I'm scared.
To start into
It's
the
about to be lit. Alright.
Is it on?
On now.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun. What's up, my boy? What's up, my boy? Oh, this is great. Baby, come here. Ah, we're living life. This is great. Z, say hi. It's a... Hey, look. What's good? Should I put my key? Oh, they got the key out. Okay, so you're gonna let Jay drive? You wanna drive, baby?
No.
No.
Come on, Jay, you gotta drive.
I gotta be sure. Shut up. Huh? I'm trying to make sure I went down. Woo! Huh? I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get back to you.
Are you enjoying yourself? Yeah. Are you liking this?
I got water in my mouth. Woo. Oh shit. Are we gonna get back up? You good?
He's probably gonna tip the shit over.
You good?
Hi everyone.
Hello. Damn, this it got water on it.
Don't lose it. Hold it.
What's up? What's up? How's it going? A mistake.
That we actually had the refuel on the door. How ghetto is this?
Yo, where the snap at?
What?
Where the snap at?
What do you mean? Wait, give me a second.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, good. Good.
What's up, my boy?
Yo, my shit's in neutral, but it's like...
You good now?
Huh?
Is it good?
No? Excuse me?
Hello?
I need some help.
Don't touch the gear, guy. Hold down the door in the front, okay?
Okay, this is the front one.
Hold down gear, don't touch.
Yeah, so the gear got stuck.
Oh.
Are you good?
Yep.
We make it right 2 minutes. Handbrake is that one, and with the other hand make that, and you have the handbrake, okay?
Okay.
We make it right 2 minutes and we start the off-road, yeah?
All right. Say, you want to go to Africa? This is how it feels like. I'm telling you. Huh? It's good.
Change the video.
Home. This is home right here.
Right?
Yes. My balls are not good, but we good. Bro. Oh.
I should be in front. I should be in front.
Why?
Because I'm like standing up on all these rocks, like going, come on, let's go. I'm like this.
Why, you want to go fast?
No, I'm climbing the rocks. It helps. You stand down while you're climbing the rocks.
So why do you want to be in front?
Because I'm fast enough to keep up with you.
Oh my God. Such a weirdo.
Look, I have a preposition. Let me get ahead of you guys.
No.
Why?
Just stay where you are.
Why not?
No, just stay.
There's a reason why it's like that, because everyone is single and we're double, so that's why.
Never mind.
Why do you want? He's gonna go slow anyways.
Who, me?
No, the guy in front of us.
You didn't get to see me climb.
You just
Ah,
wanna.
you know, okay, sorry.
You just wanna go fast. Oh my God.
A European cliff, I guess.
Long time ago, I don't have this one big group with go fast on the people, yeah? Now, all of you drive good. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a long time, yeah. For me, it's better, you know, I want to go fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally I go
That's
more
better.
slow and, yeah.
The girls slowly, yeah?
If we can go fast in Spain, imagine how fast we can go in Germany.
Say hi, G.
Ah, no, not girls, it's my turn, it's more slow, yeah.
It was just where we went up.
You know,
All right. Oh shit.
Oh, okay.
I almost dropped it.
I guess they have something. Anyone? Any takers?
Bro, I can swim. I'm gonna stay my ass out here.
But I think there are rocks down there. You see like the dark spots?
Yeah.
I think that's rock.
normalmente tampoco voy tan rápido. Este primer grupo, el primer grupo íbamos más lento,
Thank you, Z. You got it? All right, too easy. Come on, baby. Do it. Just do it.
I think someone...
You got this.
Wait, did someone die there?
No.
Wow. I believe in you. No, come on, you got this. Oh, make sure to jump after her. Just in case, okay?
3. Shut up, though. You got this, baby. Come on.
I believe in you. There are rocks right there.
Come on, you got this. Too easy. Come on. Don't let Dwayne down.
Oh, no, don't. You might show this man's daughter.
Mr. Dwayne is watching you right now. Come on, jump.
Jalen, it's okay. You don't have to. It's
Girl, girl, come on. No, girl.
And she jumped.
My shit is in neutral, okay? Don't crash in him. Watch out. It went in neutral. Did I hit him? No, I didn't. Neutral. Sorry. So I put it, instead of putting it in drive, I put it in reverse and it went back and shit sweet. Just like, oh, you screwed, sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Because I thought I was driving a car.
Like, you didn't feel yourself going back? Like, you
no, I mean, listen, if I didn't, no, if I didn't feel it, I would have killed us because I felt it and I stopped.
No,
I
you didn't.
You stopped before you hit.
Yeah, but like, I mean, I rev it real hard though, so it went back.
Oh my God.
Okay. And I was like, shit.
Oh, might as well. That's blocking it.
What? Yes, I crashed, okay? Everyone crashes. No. All right?
No.
I did not
she
crash at all.
too. She crashed in the bush. She
I
crashed in the bush. I don't know what you're talking about.
Y'all two are different.
No, a crash is when the thing makes you stop. I kept going.
But I didn't even hit you that hard though.
But it didn't.
It was a tap. It was like.
No, it did hit me. It hit the thing.
See, it was just a tap.
Oh my God.
It wasn't.
I am so wet and dirty. Like I was saying, like, well, you can't see. But did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
Z, did you have fun?
100%.
They're all the way in the back.
She wants to go to Africa. This is how Africa feels like. Look at my hair. My hair looks like I just fall in like fucking oil.
You should have. Oh man, when it came out.
I 100% recommend going on a quad tour. It's worth it.
And I also
It's
recommend jet skiing.
Yeah,
too.
jet skiing was better.
Jet skiing is up here, quads is down.
So as long as you have someone that you don't like, have them ride behind you and you just eat them.
No, you don't need grandmas at the front.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut that out. But yeah,
Wait, what?
grandmas.
Mm.
Had fun. Yeah. You enjoy yourself. Yeah.
Fucking kid again.
Yes, because I'm childish. Very childish.